to 艾米丽厨房 Emily's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Foochow Red Wine. 在新的一年里面，祝大家新年快乐，心想事成，身体健康。It is actually not difficult to make this Foochow Red Wine, but you just need to be very patient. And there's one important rule: everything that you use must be clean, super clean. This is the 4-liter glass jar that I'm using to make our Foochow Red Wine. Please make sure that you sterilize the jar and make sure you also rinse with the hot water before you use it and then let it dry by itself. There's only 4 ingredients that we need to make this Foochow Red Wine. Let's have a look at the ingredients today. If you want to know the measurement, please refer to the description box below. First, we have to use 1 kilogram of glutinous rice. We also need this red fermented rice, or another brand we call dry yeast. This is a very important ingredient, so it will give the red color of the red wine. It looks like rice but in red. The third ingredient is the dry yeast bowl. So I also got this from the Asian grocery store. The dry yeast bowl. And finally, water, 1,600 milliliters of water. I've cooked the rice the night before because the rice needs to be cooled down completely before we start making our Foochow Red Wine. So just mix 1 kilogram of the glutinous rice and 1,600 grams of water and mix together, cook as usual in the rice cooker. Our prep work is now done. We can now close it, but do not seal it yet for 7 to 10 days because during the fermentation process it will release lots of gas.
Fermentation process started. You will start to see the accumulation of red wine at the bottom. Use a sterilized utensil to press down and stir gently for a minute. Now you can see even more red wine. The color also becomes bright red. Again, press down the fermenting rice, stir and mix well. This will be the last time we will stir the jar. And we will seal the jar tight. Leave it in the cool place without direct sunlight to continue the fermentation process. Then you just have to be patient.
Finally, after 40 days, it's a long waiting time. This is how it looks like after 40 days. And we can start collect the Foochow Red Wine. To get started, we need to prepare a few things. First, we need a glass bowl. Second, we need a filter cloth, a sterilized glass bottle or wine bottle, a funnel, and finally a pair of gloves. this? The red wine, the Fuzhou. This is what we say in Foochow. Look. Wow. It's very, very excited. And this is the treasures of the red wine. Don't throw it away because you can use these to make lots of delicious dishes. In Foochow, we call it Enzhou. For this Enzhou, you have to put it in a sealed glass jar and then leave it in the fridge, and you can use it for up to 3 months. Wow, 这样就鸡香哦，你还吃了吗？ The Foochow Red Wine and the Fuzhou is now ready. Unfortunately, you won't be able to buy any of these in the store, so you have to make it yourself. In the next few episodes, I'm going to show you some Foochow specialty dishes. So stay tuned and we'll see you. Bye!